Accuracy is a very important metric for point clouds. Next, let's look at accuracy check. There is a report under the SLAM processing page. Click on the accuracy check in the report, and the software will pop up an accuracy check window. You can click on the load points in the upper left corner of the window. You can choose our control points or checkpoints. Pay attention to the order of XYZ. Then click Apply. At this time, in the point cloud window, the location of our checkpoints will be displayed. In the accuracy check window, double-click a checkpoint, and the software will automatically jump to the location of the current checkpoint. For points that are relatively far from our trajectory, or checkpoints that are not of significant reference value, you can select this point. Then click Delete Point to delete. In the accuracy check window, then use the Pick Point function. You can perform secondary point accuracy checks on the point cloud. If the intensity contrast of the point cloud is not obvious, you can display the point cloud according to intensity. Select a color band with a more obvious contrast, and increase the size of the point display. The error between the selected point and the checkpoint will be calculated on the right side. Then we pierce the other points in the same way. After all points are selected, you can see the RMSE and mean error of all our points below. Then click Save. You can save our recent results. Then open the path you just saved. You can check the accuracy check report.